Top 5 Best Air Fryer Consumer Reports. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Ninja SP-151 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This isn't just another countertop oven, it's your kitchen's new command center. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone craving crispy fries without the guilt. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo delivers restaurant-quality results in minutes. With 8-in-1 functionality, from air frying to dehydrating, it outperforms single-task appliances, saving you space and cleanup time. The 1800-watt power ensures rapid, even cooking, while the sleek stainless steel design complements any modern kitchen. Flip it up and away after use? Genius! That's storage solved. Included accessories: air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and removable crumb tray, makes switching between functions effortless. Whether you're roasting veggies, baking cookies, or reheating pizza, it handles it all with precision. Sure, it needs a little counter real estate, but that's a small trade for versatility this powerful. Say hello to faster, healthier, tastier meals, every single day. Number 4. Cosori Air Fryer Pro 5-𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗏𝗃𝗲𝗏𝗃𝗀 7 presets gray. Crispy fries, golden chicken, even roasted veggies, all with little to no oil. That's the Cosori Air Fryer Pro in action. Perfect for busy professionals, health-conscious cooks, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home, this compact 5-𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗏𝗃𝗀 powerhouse delivers. Unlike bulky models, it fits neatly on your counter without sacrificing capacity. The ceramic-coated, non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, cleanup's a breeze. With 7 smart presets, preheat, and keep warm functions, it adapts to your meal, not the other way around. The shake reminder ensures even crispiness, while 130+ in-app recipes spark culinary creativity. At 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks faster than conventional ovens, locking in flavor and texture. One note: the compact size means larger whole chickens won't fit, but for portions and versatility it excels. Engineered for ease, built for flavor, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro transforms everyday cooking into something extraordinary, without the guilt, the mess, or the wait. Number 3. CHEFMAN 10L Digital Air Fryer Oven with 17 presets. Crispy fries, juicy rotisserie chicken, and perfectly dehydrated apple chips, all from one sleek machine. Meet the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus, the kitchen powerhouse built for busy families, meal preppers, and flavor chasers. With 17 smart presets, it effortlessly air fries, roasts, bakes, and dehydrates. No guesswork, just golden results every time. The massive 10L capacity fits a whole chicken or enough wings for game day, while the large, easy view window lets you monitor progress without losing heat. Unlike bulky countertop ovens, this convection marvel saves space and energy, with auto shutoff for peace of mind. Whether you're crisping veggies or slow roasting a pork shoulder, it delivers restaurant-quality texture with little to no oil. Just note, its impressive size means it needs ample counter real estate. For flavor, versatility, and family-sized convenience, the CHEFMAN doesn't just cook, it transforms how you eat. Number 2. Instant Pot VORTEX Plus 6QD 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy, golden fries with 95% less oil, without the guilt. That's the Instant Pot 6QD VORTEX Plus Air Fryer. Perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, or anyone craving restaurant-quality crunch at home. This sleek stainless steel powerhouse isn't just an air fryer, it's a 6-in-1 kitchen multitasker: air fry, broil, dehydrate, roast, reheat, and bake. Unlike bulky single-function gadgets, the VORTEX delivers consistent, even heat with rapid convection technology, so your chicken wings stay juicy inside and shatter crisp outside. The dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. No scrubbing, no hassle. From crispy kale chips to perfectly roasted veggies, it transforms everyday meals into crave-worthy experiences. While it excels at most tasks, extremely large roasts may require rotation for even browning. But for speed, versatility, and flavor? This is the appliance that earns its counter space. From the makers of Instant Pot, engineered to simplify, elevate, and delight. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, 4-in-1 cooking for cutie, gray. Crispy fries without the guilt? The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 delivers restaurant-quality crunch using up to 75% less oil. Perfect for busy parents, health-conscious cooks, or anyone craving convenience without compromise, this 4-quart powerhouse does more than fry. It roasts, reheats, and even dehydrates. With a precise 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range and 1550 watts of power, it cooks faster and more evenly than bulky ovens. Dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup's a breeze, and the included 20 recipe guide sparks inspiration fast. Unlike smaller models that overcrowd, its spacious basket handles family-sized portions with ease. Whether you're reviving last night's pizza or crafting homemade jerky, results are consistently golden and satisfying. Just note, its compact design fits most counters but may require a little space for ventilation. For flavor, speed, and versatility in one sleek gray unit, the AF101 isn't just an appliance, it's your kitchen's new MVP. Thanks for watching Best Air Fryer Consumer Reports. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.